Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Cannon. I'm going to go over day 4 of digital learning. I hope everybody is doing well and taking care of themselves over this break. Day 4 is factors and multiples, so this should be a really quick review. Factors, so when you're finding factors, you're finding what multiplies together to get that number. Okay, so 20, what times what equals 20? I always start with the obvious, which is 1 and 20. And I'm splitting them up like this because I kind of want to write them in order, because later on when you need to figure out factors, they need to be in order. So, and then I ask myself, does 2 go into 20? And it does, because I know it's even, so 2 has to go into it. So 2 and 10. All right, I have to think about, does 3 go into it? And you just work your way up. I know the other pair of factors would be 4 and 5. And that one's done. I have factored 20. All right, and then same thing. I start with 1, and every factor has 1 in itself. So 1 and 24. It's even, so I know 2 goes into it, and I know 2 times 12 is 24. What about 3? Just because it's even doesn't mean that 3 can't go into it. So I need to double check it. So I'm just going to go over here and say, if you don't know your facts, if you can't remember if 3 times something is 24, you need to do your 3 facts until you work your way up. So I would probably start at 5, right? 3 times 5. And then I know that is 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. Okay, so it does go into it. So I know 3 and 8. Remember, this is only if you don't know your facts. If you went straight to, okay, I know 3 times 8 is 24 without having to do this, that's fine. But don't guess, because guessing is going to make you, it's going to make you leave one out eventually. All right, and then 4, I know 4 goes into it because 4 times 6 is 24. And then that one is done. So I have factored 24. All right, I'm going to move on to multiples. Multiples are just when you count by the number. So I'm just going to, when you count by the number. So if I asked you to write the first 10 multiples of 5, you would write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Right? Because that's the first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Yes. So that's a multiple. All right? And then I'll do one more for example for 8. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 60, 64, 72, and 80. Okay. I hesitated for a second, but we got it. Remember, you're adding 8 to each time. But that's it. Factors and multiples. That is a review of today that should give you everything you need to know if you need any help. All right, guys, remember you can message me on Remind 101. On Remind, you can message me on there or on Class Dojo if you need any help. I will happily help you out with specific problems. All right, thanks. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.